What's up, everybody? Bo is here. Bo is still working on the van. That's right, you can see behind me the shower is pretty much done, and it's looking so nice, don't you think? Look at that color. I'm working on the cabinet right now. Cabinet doors are all installed as well. I just cut the wood and I'm going to sand it right now and paint the cabinet bottoms, and then I'm going to install it today, and with the light and everything. So I'm working on whatever on the top portion first. That way, when I start install everything underneath, I don't have to struggle to reach to the top. So yeah, pretty much the tops are done. Showers pretty much done. So yeah, today I'm going to finish the cabinet bottoms, and here's a quick look at how's everything. And our shelf also done from a couple days ago, and here's the shower. Look at that matching color of the shower enclosure, the canister color. It's a nice gray, light gray color. The control panel, everything is all done, and here is the this is the dimmer for our LED lights. See right there. Okay, and here are the switches for the lights on the roof. Some reason this is 24-inch, and the struts, this one's too weak for it. Usually 24 inches door, I use only one strut, so I might have to add another one here on these two. That one's kind of, it's coming down, so I might need two. Alright, perfect. Oh, it's already almost 9 o'clock. I thought I would finish even connecting the light, but guess not. I would save it for the other day, another day. But look at this side as well. That. Wow, looks beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Now I just have to tie tape down the wire in here, make it look nice. And check this out. Oh yeah, look at that. And also this side of the cabinet. And also this side of the cabinet. Check this out. And soft close, look at that. Nice and quiet. Alright guys, cabinets are done. Now we can focus on everything else below. Guys, I apologize if that I missed a video last week. It was just hectic. It just too much, a lot of work. I was concentrating on keep on building. If you just joined me on these van builds, I don't do this full time. I have my full-time job. I'm doing this is just a couple hours per day after work, and right now especially daylight's getting really short, and also next week it's gonna be really short when the time changes. So I am just trying to get ahead. Anyways, I did a lot since the last video. As you can see, cabinets are all done. These lights are look at that. Under cabinet lights are all connected, working. I did most of the plumbing already. Okay, my water pump installed, water tanks installed, and I have a bed frame on this side ready. Next is gonna be bed frame on this side, but the last couple of days I spent time going underneath and running the wires for the heater, and the heaters is installed yesterday. I tested it and couple of tries and pre-prime it, and it started it heat up it heats up really quick. Nice and toasty in here. So our heater part is done. So that's one big thing to less to worry about. Today I worked. That's why you see I'm all dirty. I just finished cutting the wood, and it's already 8 o'clock in the evening. I just finished cutting our countertop right here behind the driver to fit our sink. That's what I'm going to work on tomorrow. Try to finish up the sink and the cabinet underneath it, and then will be this side of the wall. I sprayed the clear coat over the counter, couple of layers already, so I'm gonna leave it overnight and let it dry it out, and tomorrow we can go ahead and start it, finish it up. So pretty much everything looks so nice, you can see, but it's just too messy in here. I don't want to show too much thing in here, but yes, that's where we are at. So continue again tomorrow. I'm going to now I'm gonna end this video right here. I don't want you guys to wait anymore, and I will see you the next video. Thank you for watching. This is Bo. Don't forget, please subscribe and share my video. Give me thumbs up. Thank you.